quick video to share with you guys that I actually got paid my biggest check this last week, and I'm really excited because I actually made $3,000 and some change this last week with the company.
To tell you about my success this past year. I work for a company advertising using social media, and this is what I get paid weekly. All from my phone or my laptop, whatever is easier for me at the moment, as long as I have internet access.
I wanted to make this short video because a lot of people have been wondering how I've been able to make over $2,000 every single week from my smartphone and be able to do things like travel to Dubai, Hawaii, and still be a stay-at-home mom and a college student. You know, I'm only 22 years old, and I've been able to make this, like I said, all from my smartphone for the past 3 years, and I wanted to show you guys how you could take advantage of it as well. If you're on the internet, why not?
So basically all I do is just post videos all over my Facebook, and the money that I'm about to show you, it's real, it's not fake. This is not a scam either. I wouldn't be doing this if it was a scam, because I'm not going to put my face out.
I am a full-time mom, so I get to spend every single day with my daughter and still make this type of earnings. So if you want to know how I do it, I need you guys to follow 3 easy steps for me. That is liking my video, sharing my video, and then I need you to comment info down below in the comments.
Starting out can make anywhere from $500 to $5,000. It all really depends. This is $4,000, and you guys, it's not rocket science. All I did was spend a couple hours on my smartphone posting ads and sharing videos, and was able to make this in just 1 week.
So today was payday, and today I got paid a little over $15,000. It's not too good to be true. Honestly, I thought the exact same thing when I saw a video like this a few months ago, but I decided to give it a try because I didn't have anything to lose, and I just felt like I owed it to my kids. The company that I work for is real. What we do is real. Before you can work for us, you have to fill out a few different forms just like you would at any job.
So I mean, if you're interested and you want to learn some more information, you want to get started today so you can make this as soon as next week, you need to follow 3 simple steps for me to show me you're serious. Alright, 1, like this video. 2, share this video. Then 3, comment down below saying I want in.
Follow those 3 simple rules. I will not reply to you because I don't have time to waste. So like my video, share my video, and then comment info.